Some people, Mackerel, go for that woman yeah, wicked. So me I say, Mackerel this her up and say, she a go call the people them fi come take her youth them. See, so me know say no found a know her. You see me, the first time I see her, I think her Ramesh did I give her some money. You see me, cause she said she and her man in her things and she not have no way and a bag of things. You see me? So it look like the other people kinda give her things same way and she not do nothing with the way them give her because she come back and do the same thing. You see it? And you would have said the people them tired of her now. But upon a level my people and not everybody can get things from the people them on TikTok by, you know what I mean, getting gift on them something that some people them have them different ways how them get things. You see me? And Mackerel, me not lie, Mackerel go in pan her and this her up and as me say she a go make them take her youth them and one bag of something seen but Mackerel a say the woman a come pan TikTok every day and I cry, forget the people them things. But remember say you have other people on TikTok where I come every day and I take the people them things same way. But she just a do it in a one different way. You see me? So we are gonna hear what Mackerel say about her because you know what I mean? Mackerel deal with her away my people. You see it? So we're gonna kick it off and make other hear what Mackerel say.
Boy, yeah. I'm gonna see not fine blood clotter. A long time, Missy back off and put them. Go outside! Go outside! I'm gonna soon not final. The tag no girl name in my comment section. Them girl them move. Them girl them have ambition. Them girl them have nothing about them. Them girl them have no ambition. Them girl them make me at woman where I look for my blood clot Pitney just so bad. Hey girl now when me want to help me no blood clot get it. So here we have to lift up our fight up now. Hey girl now exactly a pure line tell. But I'm tell hey girl have to lift up our fight up now. I will run boy ya. You have to leave. Leave! Fucking I will run boy ya. Make me see a blood clot click another live. And you see which God you serve. Cause look like King never give it to you good over there, you know. King them never give it to you good over there, you know. And when the blood clot boy company blood clot life can talk the truth. Yeah, say boy I diss you. Because people are talking the truth. Okay, they talking the truth. We tired of you, girl. You know how much blood clot I gifted them over here. Not even as 200,000 in one day. And one man get 200,000 a split second. And you take up a bill for cups. So where chicken them there? The rest could have buy chicken. Where do the rest of money? Where chicken them there? Where you could have buy 100 chicken. Well, him man run out every day. You still gonna build blood clot full cube. I either to take the internet for. Him man run out every day. And you see a place where man run your house from. I see a blood clot place. You build full cup. I either to take the blood clot people them for. Either to take the people them for. And you know blood clot come over. Never not sorry for you over here. We not like you. Who this I said requests? Leave this place. Yeah, build Falco. Where fall them there? What's your blood clot? So dead. So that's the blood clot. People in pan here can bet. That is, you see, all not smart and all not dunce. Here one now. You build Falco, you know. You know, so make your blood clot get some chicken and put it in the cub. So you come back live and you advertise that you are selling chicken so the people can buy from you. But no, you want to come advertise balling. Balling! You want to come blood start on muse and to the blood clot TikTok international. It not go work. It is not going to work. After me no better, bitch me never come back to you drunk or sad big stinking pussy walla pussy. Me never come back to blood clot yet. Blood clot leakage put where your mother underneath your mother put right now out. Make me know me did come back to you drunk. But better than your mama do, cause your mama walk on blood clot you are put to be a different man. I be a different man about you and your mother at night time. I be better than you and your mother. I'm better than you and your mother because I must say mother play hopscotch with the blood clot who is your real father. Move your blood clot. I'm better than you and your mother because your mother have your ruffle ear there and every blood clot where I be. So I'm better than you and your mother. If I'm not better than anybody else, I'm better than you and your mother who have a blood clot graveyard. Argue with me now. Argue. Yeah, more you can bring them out to me. I'm better than you and your mother because remember you and your mother work on the same man them. So I'm better than you and your mother. Yeah, your mother share man the blood clot. Yeah, your mother work and share pan the blood clot. As soon as your mama discharge now one pad, she put it up on there. Your mama is a walking blood clot infection. When you forgot blood clot work and take care. You're outside. Remember man put your mama pad zinc for fun. Hey, blood clot, you know, put me here. Back to what I was saying. Gather with that top boot again. She too outside. When you come there, come your blood clot, so come there, come burn a gift to them. You not do it. You not going to burn the blood clot gift to them. You're not going to do it. We can, them don't have much TikTok blood clot baby for mine already. And then you have 22 we see they need for help and come take.
You see all them TikTok people here done them no want see nobody else. I get nothing, you know. I saw this look to me, you know. You see me I say because them a come on TikTok and them a check out for them and if a next person come and check out for them and it's like them not forget nothing because them a make them now get what them forget. You see me? So this no look good still because everybody a do the same thing on TikTok. Them find what's the money over there and everybody a try get it. See me I say some a come and them a go live with other people. Some come and them a tell them problem forget things. Right? And the person will give her the money when Mackerel did a talk about a Ramish did give her the money. You see me I say but me no wanna think me people we are gonna watch some more.
Then you go and breed again, make three. We cannot, them, the gift of them cannot mine on a pitney them. Them don't have a TikTok baby them for mine already. Guys, you don't name out the TikTok baby them. Them don't have Fimi pitney, Kitty pitney, Vanny pitney. Who else? Rochelle pitney have father. Them, listen to me. Miss, we cannot. The gift of them cannot afford it. Them work too hard. For your blood clot, John Joe will girl like you come here and come burden them. We work too hard. Them work too hard. But you know, it's like, oh, you really take the blood clot internet for Musketerians. Yes, you are burning with mining. Only the blood clot do it. Why should you get the money one day? Why you never go plant? Yam Dashina and Gunguan, whatever, to stabilize themselves. If boy hate you so much, you gonna breed fame, then they want to come back to we. If boy blood clot hate you. If boy tired, we don't know. We tired to see upon blood clot clean the car and the boy tell you go suck out your mother. If blood clot boy you go suck out your mother and breed you again. And then with him the penny, then he give that even me. But the O'Neal what happen? Then he gift to them for come on people like O'Neal for come mind the penny. Yeah, that crazy mother blood clot girl. And the minute can see them Monday for come take up them pin the out of that house there. Because remember me I look better for you because you always say pin them hungry and you know eat from morning. And on top of that, the gentleman in your house is always using indecent language in front of the kids them. The kids them need care and protection. So I shall be calling them for you. Cause since everybody can call the kids them call C-Day for Rose, I want to call the C-Day for that girl. Yes. Since we can call C-Day for Rose that is taking care of her children, I want to call C-Day for the one that is not taking care and who don't have it and who is not stable to take care of her kids them. That is what C-Day is for. That is what C-Day is for. That is what C-Day is for. C-Day is for to take care of the children them who need care and blood clot protection. And me I go call them phone, no? Yeah, we not gonna really have a penny them a grow up in a blood clot and still home, their mental blood clot, they go through emotional and mentally abuse. And maybe after when you beat them, so probably physical abuse. I remember when we pass in the car when they are back off a pitney and I do the most. So we're gonna tell C-Day that we have blood clot proof. Yeah? They will call the Costa Monday morning. And Brown Monday morning. They will call blood clot them. And Natalie blood, what's she name? Natalie Lita and the woman there. We have to go call them blood clot Monday morning. Cause this have to stop. Somebody have to put a stoppage to this. Them we not depress the internet too much. When I know this drama yeah, I that the drama there, we not depress the internet too much. And we want to come burn the gift to them. We want the people them take them tax returns. And I say no. No. Not a bomb clock. No. Them not have it. Them not have it a blood clot. No. You cannot be coming out here while me over here, so a blood clot entertain people and you come over here burning people. The people that come here for entertainment, not depression, man. Sorry. O'Neal, it not gonna work. O'Neal, it is not going to work. O'Neal, not gonna work. O'Neal, it not gonna work. O'Neal, it can't work. It can't work. You can't. When me come by here, sir, and me I say 500 quiet my team. You over on the other. I saw for a blood clot. You go sell a pussy out the road. Then we can't have man. Me can't have blood clot man every day and get up and disrespect me. And me dead the same way. Every blood clot there. And the internet I hear the blood clot man I embarrass. Boy, I could do me anything in life, but me not think me still for embarrassment.
So people, wanna hear how much TikTok picnic? Wanna hear how much TikTok picnic? You see me? And them want the gift of them for take care of for them picnic, you know. But a next person, them not go want the gift of them for give them nothing. That no look good. You see me? I say that don't look good. But on the Mackerel alone, me hear I say things about a girl that's still, you know. Other people say things. But she want the gift of them things, right? She want the people them on TikTok give her things. The other person them was say them a TikToker, them want the gift them. You see me I say? So it not different. Are the same thing them a do. You see me I say? Them want the people them things. You see me? But she do it a different way. I just that. You understand what I say? So, more want to tell me what you think in the comment section, my people. Make we watch some more.
A boy could have do me anything in a blood clot life, but a boy can't embarrass me. I'm sleep. Must sleep in the out, must skin out and breathe for him again. On a mad? On a mad? On a crazy? Crazy, on a mad? On a sick? A boy can't tell me say my father, mama forgot dead. A boy can't tell me some things I'm sleep with him and then forgot breathe for him again. I'm not crazy. The way all my love fuck up around, my run left them the pitney the long time. And if we can't carry, if we can't blood clot, carry two of them, they have to run left one. If me run, it's either me run left one or me run left with two of them. Cause me want better for myself. Me I gonna look better for them and come back. But me not gonna sit down and suffer with them. And me not gonna sit down and listen blood clot. The man that disrespect me in front of them and make it feel him boy don't eat to pity them. Me no him boy eat shit. Him boy definitely eat shit. Slim what happened? Him boy don't eat to pity him boy definitely eat shit. So you know when me I go there see if you eat me so much. I pack up my blood clot, madam. Push! Gone through the blood clot door. Me, I go find better for my pity them. I'm telling you about me, I one thing my pity them can't say no. Me try with them. Me now go make the blood clot pity them grew up in a blood clot and stable home. For them feel like say it is okay for grow up and disrespect woman. And that check company, that's why I go call CDA Monday. Because other people pit her on the internet, and when other people pit scroll, they will go see her and they will go hear the man and they will go grow up and feel like say it is a okay something for man disrespect the woman. Other people pit use the internet and she is on the internet setting bad example for blood clot people pitney. So you know what? Somebody have to put a stoppage to it. Somebody have to put a stoppage to it. And me I go do that. And me I go call CD passion and pitney them. My Pitney might not use the internet, but who was still on the chat, Pitney use the internet. And it's screen recording them where go on, the kids them my blood clot see it, and here when the man disrespect her, and she disrespect the man, and the kids that remember kids the blood clot learn what children live what they learn. So they might live blood clot what they learn. So she coming on the internet is portraying a bad example for the blood clot kids them in a blood clot society. And I am not going to tolerate that. Me is a blood clot. Remember I say I have one pit woman a blood clot like. Remember I say that. Say the truth, I have one pit woman like as a own blood clot say. Me don't have a blood clot pit see this. So me have go call, me have go report her. Oh, too much of blood clot she. I better say when they do things. See, she always complaining, say she not about if you keep kids them. And Ray, when CD come keep them fear, because that is CD job. When CD come keep them fear, we will see what she come back, say no. We will come here when she come back, say no. You have to look out for the blood clot people on the internet, bomber clot shirt now, man. Too much of you, man. We never did miss it, no? Because you lift up everywhere for the people who work and want entertainment. The people don't want depression. They want entertainment. They don't want sadness. They want entertainment. And you are blood clot bringing sadness to the app. And blood clot. I'm telling you, you can't come cussing because I'm telling you, bad word, when bomber blood clot, everybody calls bomber blood clot, and that is normal. But it is not normal for man to disrespect you in front of your pinning them. That is not normal. And I am not going to sit down and tolerate it because it is not normal. That is abuse. And you abuse fear pit, lock off your life. And if you want to abuse your pinning them off your life, that is your business. But you're not going to come on the internet and abuse other people pitney. Mind, emotions. Because probably people pitney are going to see about on the internet and they're going to run go to their mama and say, Mommy, why is this man cursing these words at her? I ask them mother, I say, Mommy, why is this? You know they look weird, eh?
Me not lie still, people. You know what I mean? Ramesh give her a little start and she shoulda do something with it. You see me? But it look like say she I use the money do other things than fi set herself in a way where she can, you know what I mean, turn over a little thing. You see me? But more want to tell me what you think in the comment card. On a level still, she just a do it in a different way what the other TikToker them a do. You see me I say? Because them come every day and I ask for gift and them something there. You see it? So she just come and beg the money. But them a beg the money in a gift. You see it? So them a do the same thing. So you can't deal with either way there when you are do the same thing. You see me? So more want to tell more on the think me people. We're gonna watch some more then.
You bring depression to the internet, bro. I have to stop it, bro. You have to leave the internet for sure. Me know I'm so tired. Me know I'm so tired. I'm tired too. Me tired too. Once when you get blood clot, before you tell the man say, alright then, you know, before you say to the man say, nobody give me 200,000. Me can't do this, me can't do that. Something, you can't do something. Okay, you take it 200,000, fine. You build 4 cube. You build cube. Where you keep them there? What were you going to put in the cube? Oh, you done the money. Say I come back, come ball again. We cannot help you, I'm sorry. The gift of them cannot. Dream cannot help you. Dream tired of you. Dream not have it. Dream never have it yet, and Dream never have it yet neither. Dream never have it yet either. Sorry. She said broken mind can't work. Well, tell her say the pocket can't work and it not work. She fucking right here. Tell her say the pocket not work. Tell her say the account not work. In money where you take a blood clot, put a data every day, go blood clot, fry some chicken back, and rice and blood clot, go turn some car meal. The little boy she have, because she have 2 child. The little boy she have, the big one, how old is that child? CDA. Whoever pay attention to you now, pay attention blood clot too. Oh.
So what time you come on? You say 6:30. With bomber clat you come after 5 from cooking 6:30.
CDA. CDA. 4-year-old. So you not go to school? I have to make a phone call. So you not go to school? Unique. You look at what you have not go to school. Okay. Me have to secure my workstation, you know. And then I go take it for the party shop business. See that we have to come, if people have to come mine, you need pin it too. We can't take on your burden. You see what pin they have for mine? Them have Fimi, them have Uni, them have Kitty, them have, if people they can't take on your burden. Sorry. If 4-year-old pin is still in diapers, girl, stop telling like on blood clot, the woman. Move and go to your next one, lie. So what? Oh, I have money for home school. I have to set up my own them. Sorry. So what is wrong with the Una see? So the time I did it, I argue with man, put out all of my effort with man. Me this, me that, me every day I get up my can't God help who held the blood clot self. God can't take a burden tonight and his struggles. God help who help themselves. Yeah? As me I say, we tired!
So, my people, me not lie. You see certain things when me see it, me understand. You see me? You see this woman, she maybe want, you know what I mean? She not maybe, she want get out of where she in her right now. And everybody want live the good life. You see me? I say, everybody want make things, everybody want it, but I know everybody I go get it. You see me? I say, and people use different way to try to get out or whatever, you know what I mean, situation them in a. Some people, them we make it out easier than some. But this woman here, me not lie, whether she a fool the people them or what, she want change. You see me I say? And she want things to go on for her and her youth them. You see me? So, more to really this her or deal with her no way. Me just know say she a look it and the other people them on TikTok them a look it too. You see me? But them a look it in a different way. So none no better than none right there so the way me see it. You see me? It's just that she I do it in a different way from them, but them still I look it from the people them we are get to it. You see me? So make me know one thing me people. We are go watch someone then me I go end it.
Alright. Mama say I go click on it live and come back to the internet. And when you click on it live, you make sure to send come call me. Come here, bring her down to the ground. She too out and worthless. You're not the only, you're not even a single mother because the boy in your life and the boy hate you. You're not the only female. No, dear, you have hand, you have 2 foot, you have brains. And you can't find time to go breathe a third time. Don't you have brains? You're not disabled. Well, let me tell you something, miss. We have disabled people who is on the app that who really need to help and the gifters them need to find them. You're blocking them way. You're black them way with a blood clot, balling. You dead? You can't ball, so. We tell you you're balling. Oh, you love cry, so. Eh? Every time you come on the internet, it's something do to you. Something do to blood clot you. Every time you come, is there a day that you don't cry on the internet? Is there a day? All you find money for bore up, so. All you bore up, so, but yes, still every day you come from last night, them to eat, and you don't have nowhere to go, and blah, blah. When I say people can't go through things, don't get me wrong. But mama, bumper clot, 12 months of blood clot, here you not eat. 12 months right through the blood clot, here you go through bumper clot. Sufferation. Mama, you tell me say you can't find out that blood clots queer and go buy 2 bag of bag juice and walk up and down in a bus park and sell the youth. All the pity them back of your only pa girl a town do that a blood clot. That's why the town girl and we always strive. That's why the town girl and we always strive. Cause the town girl will make them blood clot pity go buy chocolate and walk up and down in a blood clot bus park. And if I even sell them off a blood clot, sell that. Mama go walk up and down with the pity them, see them and if you keep them. You go walk up and down with the kids them. You buy chocolate. Why don't you take your blood clot money when man give you? And buy chocolate and bag juice. Why you go buy a full cub? Why you go buy a full cub? Eh? You have anybody that going to buy any blood clot chicken from you? You have anybody that going to buy eggs from you? You probably live back a bomber clot God back. Why don't you take the money and go buy a blood clot, 2 bag juice, 2 cat bag juice and sell them back for blood clot $60, $50, a blood clot country bus park? Why did you go do that? Why you walk over you come stretch out the blood clot internet? Why you go buy a Carl's Big Drum bomber clot chocolate go sell it out a blood clot road? And that bomber clot come here with your struggles. You know say everybody over here have their own burden. We have our own struggles. It's just that some of us don't talk. You don't see that. If people want to see that when they give you them thing, what you're doing with do it, and you're not doing nothing with it. So that as well enough, you get it. We're tired of you. You want to come here, come cry. You're depressed too, mama. My bumper clad. Now just a baby, what happened? Before you take you people a bomber clock money and go bomber clock, you know them weird people? You gonna sell sweetie per roadside if I even that. Me never see this girl company life like everybody else and play 2 matches. Every time you come a ball. We tired. Ashley, what happened? Every time you come you can't eat off somebody stress off for people them, man. Eat off somebody stress off for people them. If you don't have them stress with them, I go here and then come on here to get a form of entertainment. You cannot feel like say, you want to come over here with a narcissist behavior, come and manipulate the internet. No. No. You cannot come over here, come abuse the internet. You not do it. You not bomber clot, do it a blood clot. You not come over here, come abuse the internet. Sorry. Remember once upon a time, there was no TikTok and all of us was living. It's just that TikTok make life look a bit govern. For enough away. For all away. TikTok make life a little bit govern. Yeah? Bomber clot and take this thing for. The people who come there call a bomber clot fun. Now come there, come in a blood clot girl depression meant.
Some people, alright, some are in it, want to tell me what you think in the comment section.